Compact Travel Water Kettle, your on-the-go heating solution. This is introduce highlight features or overview summary of lazycozy travel kettle for car. Long car journeys, camping trips, or even daily commutes can leave you wishing for a hot drink on demand. The 17 ounces travel water kettle is designed to bring ultimate convenience to your adventures. Compact yet powerful, it ensures you'll always have perfectly heated water, coffee, milk, or tea wherever you go. With 4 precise temperature settings ranging from 113 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, this kettle adapts to every beverage need. Warm milk gently for kids, brew tea at just the right temperature, or boil water fully for coffee, your drinks are always heated to perfection. The 96-watt heating system provides reliable performance without draining energy, making it safe and efficient for vehicle use. Practicality is at the heart of this design. Weighing only 480 grams and measuring 22 x 8 x 8 cm, it's light and compact enough to fit neatly in your car without taking up valuable space. The included cleaning brush makes maintenance easy, while the storage bag ensures everything stays organized when not in use. Whether you're road tripping across the country, camping under the stars, or just navigating your daily commute, this portable water kettle guarantees warm beverages anytime, anywhere, transforming your travel experience into pure comfort. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.